So today I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing on the DJI Mic Mini. For TNC of the platform, I decided to go ahead and skip over how I cut this plastic over and what item I used to do it. As you can see here, I have not opened it at all. This is how it came from shipping. It has a small dent. So pretty much everything that comes inside. The mics are about 10 grams in weight. It also comes with a 48-hour charging case. It also comes with a transmitter, 2 microphones. It's going to come with the wind protection. This is a Type C for iPhones that are newer, above 14. It also is going to come with its headphone jack cable, which is going to be used for your professional style cameras, your charging case as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. You can go ahead and easily find these online. I believe I found these on Amazon for about $79, which is good for those creators that are starting off and don't have a lot to put into their business. This is a great way to start. So if you have any other DJI camera, you pretty much don't need this receiver because these mics connect automatically to any DJI system that you have. I do want to hop in here and have a quick disclaimer. I do not own any other DJI products. I do most of my recording on iPhone. So I have heard from other friends and other creators that have said that it is always better to use a transmitter, even if you are using the DJI, because it does connect via Bluetooth, but the audio isn't that good or crisp. So I just wanted to let you guys know and keep it up to your own preference. So let's go back to the video now. But if you are using iPhone or any other handheld style camera, you are going to need this to be plugged in. So let's get into it. This is the first time I'm actually seeing this as well. First thing we got, some DJI stickers, some manuals. It also comes with a travel case. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be using this travel case. It does have a little bit of padding. As you can see here, it has a little thing you could use to go ahead and clip on. And it has this adjuster so you can grab it, easily move it. This is going to be your wind screens. It also comes with the magnets. So if you want to go ahead and use the magnets, whether you're using it inner or outer, this comes with 2 sets, 2 of the black, as well as the 2 gray furry colors. So here we go. Hope you guys are enjoying this ASMR. You gotta press to unlock. Boom, there it is. We got both mics, a receiver, our phone adapter, as well as you can use this side up for storage, whether you're using it for your headphone jack. It also comes with adjustables, depending on how much you want to hear, how crisp, how clean. If you want to divide using one side to catch both, or just use one independent. So let's say this is on one person, you could hear that person on one audio frame and this one on a different one. So if you're editing, you don't have to, use one that's catching both. So if you have to cut one noise or one person out, you can do that as well. Comes with the charger. So you can go ahead and connect that and charge the unit that this unit is also going to be charging independent microphones. You can see here it has the magnet. So if you clip that on your shirt, put this inside of your shirt, and you could go ahead and use this on the outside or the inside Most creators, when they're starting off, they like to use it inside because they don't want people to know that they're a creator because they're a bit embarrassed. But all depends what you like to do. If you want people to know that you're a creator, I'd say keep it outside and put a little bit of that windscreen on it. That way people know that you mean business. What else we got in here? We got our headphone jack. Like I said, you're going to be connecting this end into your camera. As well as the charger for your unit. You can go ahead and put that into the wall so it comes with your charger. I know some people, they go ahead and put this in here. That way they have everything all in one. All depends on how you want to use it. And then boom, put it into your travel case. Like I said, this is not that bad. It feels pretty decent. It doesn't feel so thin. It feels, you know, it has a little bit of padding. It has a little bit of texture to it. You can definitely feel it's not a very fine or thin layer. So this is a quick little unboxing of the DJI Mic Minis. I'm gonna definitely be using these on my blogs or my street interviews that I have coming up here pretty soon. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be putting all of this away now. Thank you for the support. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Let me know. Outside of that, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys checking out my video. I also wanted to do a quick disclaimer on this unboxing. I was not using these DJI Minis. I was using these standard mics. So the audio you guys are getting from this video is from this mic. Like I said, this was an unboxing and my first time getting these in. So pretty much every other video that's coming up next should be with the DJI, especially if it is a vlog or an outdoor scene. So just wanted to give you guys that quick disclaimer. Welcome back to another video in English. I know it has been a while. Last time I brought you guys a world tour video in English was in December/January in Colombia. So today we're gonna be going to